So one of the question that you can be given is whereby you are told to solve for n, and in this case you are given 65 times n combination 5 is equal to 2 into n minus 1 times n plus 1 combination 6, and then you are told find the value of n. So in the event you're given a question like this, what is really expected of you to do? So in such a scenario, we are going to say this is going to be 65 times n factorial over n minus 5 factorial, then 5 factorial, which is going to be equals to 2 into n minus 1, and this is times n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial, then 5. This is actually 6 times 5 factorial. So you can see here n minus 5 factorial, n minus 5 factorial can cancel out. Also we have n factorial. Before that we have to express this, but 5 factorial and 5 factorial will comfortably cancel out. We are yet to express this further, so we can say this is 65 times n factorial which can be written as is equals to 2 into n minus 1 and n plus 1 factorial. This one can be written as n into n factorial, the next one, so over 6. This and this will cancel out, and of course we shall have 2 ones, 2 here 3 times, so we shall have 3 times 65 is equals to n minus 1 into n plus 1, and that is going to be, if you multiply 65 times 3, that is 5 carry 1, 18, 195. So we shall have 195 is equals to n squared minus 1. So which means that n squared is equals to 196. Then you can find square root both sides, which is going to translate to n is equals to 14. So in this particular expression that we are having here, it will mean that the value of n in this case is going to be that. Yeah, word class footy can see you. So looking at another question, so let's look at one question to do with permutation. Let's look at a question to do with permutation here. So we have letters A, B, C, X, Y, and Z, and then we have symbols. Star, we have a dollar symbol, and then we have hashtag. We have and symbol and symbol. So a 5-character password is to be formed. Number 1, so we are supposed to find number of passwords that can be formed. Number of passwords that can be formed. So number of password that can be formed here, we are going to count how many characters do we have in this setup, how many characters that are available. And you realize that here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. So we are going to form a 5-character password, so meaning that we are going to say 10 permutation 5, and if you work it out, we're going to have 240. Roman 2, number of characters, number of passwords. That can be formed. Given it has to contain at least one symbol, at least there should be a symbol. So in that case, you're going to check total number. To get this, we're going to say total passwords minus number of passwords without a symbol. And that is going to be 240 subtract, without a symbol, we are going to have 6 characters, select 5, and if you work it out, it will be 240 minus 720, which will translate to 29,520. 29,520 as the final answer for that case.